Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you create password-protected zip folder. So let's get started. First, right-click on the folder that you want to convert into password-protected zip folder, and then click on the Add to Archive, and then select Zip from there, and then check the box that says Delete Files after archiving, and then click on the Set Password, and then enter the password that you want, and then re-enter password. Once done, click on the OK, and the conversion will start. Now, wait some time. Once it's done, you can see zip folder created. Now open the zip file. Now, if you try to open any file, you can see it is asking about password. And even if you want to extract this zip here, simply right-click on it, and then click on the Extract file. And you can see you can extract this zip file after entering password. And that's how you can create password-protected zip folder. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.